Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter of civics for class 7, that is chapter number 3, how the state government works. This is the table of content, that is in this chapter we have to discuss on the topic whose responsibility, who is an MLA, a debate in the legislative assembly, and the last one, working of the government. So the topic is whose responsibility. The story begins with a discussion between two persons. Hey, look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in our state and people are falling sick. Second image, it is written in many villages, people were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up and so have the tanks. In the worst affected areas, villagers have been carrying water across great distances. In the next image, people at the district Patalpuram receive water supply once in 3 days. The district hospital here is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. So the topic is about the water shortage, the unclean water that people are receiving, and the shortage of water problem that people are facing, along with the disease of diarrhea. The discussion is continued between the two girls. They were saying on the TV news, they said 10 people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from it? Who knows? Just hope I don't get it. That afternoon, my mother said not to have any iced drinks from the market. She gave one of her lectures this morning. You have to be responsible of your health, Shirin. So the name of one girl is Shirin over here, whose mother advised her, told her not to take any cold drink or any iced drink from the market, to just to take care of her own health. Suddenly, while going through the bicycle on the road, the policewoman stopped them and told them this road is blocked due to the rally. They have garrotted the MLA's residence. That is, the MLA of that area uh, must have done something and asked questions. Really? Why? Has he done something? And then the policewoman replied, haha, they seem more angry about what he hasn't done, which means that this time, since the MLA hasn't done anything for the public, the people have garroted their residence and a rally took place in his area. Not because something wrong he has done, but he hasn't done anything was the reason for the rally. In the next image, it is continued, and we demand that the authorities take immediate action to bring the public health situation under control. Our MLA must take the responsibility for this. So there was a person giving the speech, and this was one of the lines of his speech. The last image, what a loud voice he has. He must be a leader of something. I saw him on TV too. He is a member of the opposition. The girls discussed among themselves. So, now here the topic comes, who is an MLA and why it was his responsibility to do something which he hasn't done, and why people are showing their anger on him. Also, who is the opposition? So this is the thing that we have to discuss in this chapter. It is whose responsibility towards providing clean water in the area, towards providing proper healthcare facilities in the area, and how come MLA is related in all such things. These are the things that we have to discuss in the chapter, and why opposition is discussing on the matter.